What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently we're seeing $1.16. We're down about 0.5 on the day. Seeing market cap of 10.71 billion. 24-hour volume 375 million. Let's hop into the charts. I'm going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So a couple scenarios. The wave 2 may be already in. The wave 2 pullback. Either that or you're still looking to go through an ABC correction. Wave A. 3-wave move into a B, and then you come down in a wave C to take you down in between $1.10 and $1.13 in a wave 2 pullback for Matic. Either that or potentially could be a leading diagonal into a wave 1, and this was a wave 2, and you're going to look to push up, which means that wave 2 is already complete. You're already starting the wave 3 with a leading diagonal, but usually wave 3s are quite impulsive. So just watch this pattern, because if it does break down, that's when it could lead to that wave C to the downside. We're just about to print the bullish cross on the daily. Beautiful signal on the weekly time frame here on KuCoin. We've been covering this closely. We confirmed the weekly bullish cross, which is a massive bullish signal for the price of Matic. Is when you do see the weekly bullish cross in the bear market, it usually signifies that the bottom is in and the bull market is going to begin. So that's a big positive sign for the price of Matic. So we'll see if we can hold this daily bullish cross and see continuation, or if we're going to see a larger pullback. Same thing for Ethereum. Potential ABC correction is in play unless the wave 4 is already in. But as you can see, it does look like we've come down in a wave A, 3-wave moving to a B, potentially come down in a wave C. The key support to hold for Ethereum is 1971. If that support is lost, it invalidates this wave count, but until then, we could see a nice bounce and continuation up in a wave 5. We may eventually come back down to retest this trend line at about 2,000. As you can see, we broke right through it, so it would make sense to come back down, test it as support before potentially seeing that continuation, as we are watching this beautiful ascending triangle that we broke out of, and the target is 4102 on the weekly chart for ETH. Couple more weeks and you'll see the bullish cross of the weekly EMAs, which, as I mentioned, is a massive bullish signal. Here's the last time we had the weekly bullish cross in the bear market. As you can see, that was the start of the bull market. Weekly bullish cross, juicy appreciation of basically 2,000% for the price of ETH. So in the short term for Matic, watch this rising wedge. If it does break down, that's when you could see that wave C to the downside to take you down in between $1.10 and $1.13. But if we can bounce here, then there is potential that this was a leading diagonal wave 1, pull back in a wave 2, looking to push up in a 3, 4, 5 to complete that larger wave 3. But as I mentioned, usually wave 3s are quite impulsive, so it would be a bit irregular to see this kind of move for the wave 1 of the larger wave 3. We'll have to see how that plays out. So make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bybit. Up to 8K in bonuses here on Bybit, up to 30,000 on Bybit. I do the majority of my trading here on Bybit. All you have to do is email me your sign-up email. You get completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, some of them are absolutely killing it. You can get direct access through the Patreon. It's only $10 a month, but as I mentioned, if you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, then you get a 30-day free trial. All links are in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.